Welcome back to this new coding session, and in this coding session I will be uh, doing some functional programming in Java, and I will be demonstrating how to do currying, how to partially initialize a function and use it later on to provide the remaining remaining values. So in this file I will say currying.java. And for example, I right now will show you something like suppose we need to create a multiplier, a function which always returns a value, integer value multiplied by 2, or some returns a multiplier 2, or something that add by 2 a function that always returns something, a value into value, by adding a 2 to it, or something like a curried function which always which can be initialized with different print or display function to print different type of messages. So I will be demonstrating the three in this session, and the same concept can be applied to other scenarios. So I will say I need something like a private unity iterator. I will say adder generator, and I will ask for final. I will ask for a final int. Sorry. Adder value that is going to be repeatedly added, and return something that takes int operand. I will say I need something integer int operand, and I will say int operand plus adder value, and this is our function. That is now our function is curried. So I will say I need to import something like function dot unary operator. So let me demonstrate you this. I will say and I will say something like curry dot adder generator, and I will say something like add 2. So I will have final unary integer and adder add 2 curry. So we have an object curry that represents the current class, and that calls a function adder generator, and that generates a function that whenever it is called with a value, integer value, it adds to that into value and returns a new value. So this can be demonstrated by system dot out dot println add 2 to 3 equals to add 2 curry dot apply 3. So this is our adder curry, and I have called it on into value 3, and it should give me 5. So I will say something like and so I am running this function, running this read function on three values 2, 3, 4, and it should give me 4, 5, and 6. And I will say, so it has given me 4, 5, and 6, and you have seen a read function that that repeatedly adds 2 all the time. So it is always going to add 2. So similarly, I'm going to create something like multiplier generator. And I'm going to have a multiplier, and I will say multiplier. So it is always going to have multiply by I will say 100. So I will say multiplier generator, and I will say 100. So and multiply by 100, and now I should get something like so now I should get a value like 200, 300, and 400 for these numbers. So running them now, cannot find symbol multiplier. Okay, so you see that now that function is multiplying each integer by 100. So 200, 300, and 400. Now we have our value, and you can see that how currying is working. And for something, I will do something like I said, this is an example of currying, and for a value that reads a value and returns a value. For something like this print statement, suppose I want something like a private void and display simple. I will say that takes a string, and print this value without anything new added to it. And I can have something like designer display that takes something like final string value like above, but it adds something like does something extra work before printing that value. And I will say and value, and so we have two type of display functions. So we can test all of those, and so I will using these two functions and other functions, the given console print by system or outdoor print line, and that will have something like private For that to happen, I need to import this consumer interface. I need something like consumer that takes a string and returns nothing. So I will say display composer. That takes a consumer that reads a string displayer and returns another consumer that takes a string value and dot accept that applies that displayer to this value. So we have our display consumer ready. So over here I will have to something like final, and I will say consumer print to console. I will say curry dot display composer So this is one way. Another is going to have, so let me format this. Other is going to have something like print to console, no new line. Print to console, no new line, and so for that I will have to remove this. Now now if we use this this compose function or this read function, we won't have any new line printed to the console. So if I say something like I will have something like, I will say print to console dot, so these are going to be printed to the console with new line, and I will have something like print to console accept. So this is going to won't have any new line printed to it. So when this print statement gets printed, this part and this line and this line are going to be present on the same line, so we won't have any new line between these two print statements. So in next I'm going to say that designer display will say designer display, and this is going to have something like curry designer display. So designer display, so this is going to use the designer display function to print the value where the value is followed after, before and after by the asterisk, lines of asterisk. So these 3 lines I will be using the designer display note from this line onward, because the line above is not going to be distorted because of the line of printed without new line. So I will say something like, and I will say this is what designer display is, and this also needs to be replaced, and I will say print to console so I have Careed design. Now you can see that how it is working. These 2 lines were using this Careed function, which takes a print line function and adds a new line to the printed function. Next takes a print function without new line. So where we calling this print to console no new line, you can see that this line and this line are on the same line, add 2 to 4 and add 2 to 2. So you can see that how currying works in Java, and you can use same what is called process or way to build your own Careed function. So this is how functional programming in Java currying works. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.